Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today we will be continuing standard 9 chapter number 2 parallel lines and practice set 2.2 question number 4. So my dear students, I hope till now you had the idea about the properties of two parallel lines and its transversal. Please look at the board for question number 4. See, practice set 2.2 question number 4 is if ray BA, please see here BA, okay, it is moving towards the left hand side. Parallel BA is parallel to ray DE. See here. You will say sir D is going here and AB is going here. So if I will extend this, can you see these two lines are parallel? See AB is here and DE is here. So these two lines are parallel to each other. This line, if you will increase here, if you will increase this here, these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now see what else is given. Angle C is equals to 50 degree. Can you see here angle C here? Angle C is 50 degree. It is given in your textbook picture. Okay. So now angle D is and angle D here. Angle D means EDC. Okay. Angle ED and C. So angle D comes in between. So angle D is of 100 degree. It is given in the question. Find the measure of angle ABC. ABC. It means we have to find this angle. This ABC. So my dear students, for explanation I have done some construction over here. See, what is the first construction you will do? You will draw a line, this line, you will draw this line from through point C which will be parallel to AB and AB is already parallel to DE. It means AB is parallel to DE and this line जो आप draw करेंगे, this also parallel to AB. So CF parallel to AB and AB is parallel to DE. Is it clear? It means ये तीनों line parallel होंगे. Okay. So this is construction. First you will do this construction, that you will draw a line from this C, that is CF. Okay. जो AB के parallel होंगे. Can you see CF is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to DE? It is already given in the question. Okay. So तीनों line आपस में parallel है. Okay. It means parallel है तो उसकी properties होंगे. Interior angles should be supplementary. 180 degree होना चाहिए. So my dear friends, look at here solution. Line AB parallel to line CF. AB is parallel to CF. We have constructed. ये हमने किया construction. AB और CF parallel हो गए after the construction. So this is our first. Okay. Now line AB पहले से दिया हुआ है line AB. This line AB is parallel to line DE. Okay. It is given in the question. Okay. So therefore I can say कि अगर AB पैरेलल है CF के और AB पैरेलल है DE के, it means DE पैरेलल है CF के. Yes or no? See, line DE पैरेलल to line CF. DE पैरेलल होगा CF के. Can you see this? दिखता भी है. By watching also we can understand that DE और CF पैरेलल है. Okay? How it is possible from first and second answer? Is it clear? On transversal DC, can you see अगर ये दो लाइन यानी DE is parallel to CF और DC, ये DC उसका ट्रांसवर्सल है क्योंकि DC ने क्या किया, DE और CF को कट किया दो पॉइंट पे. Is it clear? So this DC will be considered as a transversal and these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. अगर ये दो लाइन पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, इट मींस इसके अंदर बनने वाले एंगल इंटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे. कैन यू सी आई हैव रिटन दैट 100 डिग्री एंड दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल should be interior angles and the sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. See, I have written that only. EDC यानी D angle D is of 100 degree plus DCF यानी इस अंदर के साइड, ये दो अंदर के एंगल्स. ओके. सो EDC plus DCF should be 180 because they are interior angles of these two parallel lines. ये दो parallel lines के अंदर के एंगल्स हैं, इसलिए उनकी एडिशन 180 डिग्री होनी चाहिए. सो EDC we know 100, DCF से देखो D CF ये हमको पता नहीं है, so that is as it is we will keep, and this 100 will go to the right hand side, so 180 minus 100 will be 80. अगर दो में से एक 100 डिग्री का है तो दूसरा 80 डिग्री का होगा. Is it clear? So now I came to know that DCF ये वाला टुकड़ा 80 का है. अब आपको फाइंड करना है एंगल ABC. We have to find angle ABC. My dear students, can you see ये Z बनता है अगर ये AB, लाइन AB is parallel to line CF. अगर लाइन AB CF के पैरेलल है तो उसके प्रॉपर्टीज भी इक्वल होंगे. सी दिस इज अल्टरनेट एंगल. देखो ऐसे AB से BC और CF Z बनता है, AB to BC and CF Z बनता है. तो अगर आपको पता होगा BCF, इफ यू नो एंगल BCF जो यहां से यहां तक है, देखो एंगल BCF, दिस 50 is already given and this you had found, ये तुमने अभी पता किया 80 का है, तो 50 plus 80 130. तो ये अगर यहां से यहां तक 130 का है तो एंगल ABC भी 130 का होगा, बिकॉज दे आर अल्टरनेट एंगल. लुक एट हियर, एंगल BCF इज इक्वल्स टू BCF बना है, एंगल BCF दो एंगल के एडिशन से बना है. कैन यू सी दिस टू एंगल्स, one is 50, that is BCD. look at here, angle BCD is 50 degree plus angle DCF, this is DCF, this is 50, this is 80, so answer is 130 degree. So BCF, angle BCF is 130 degree. Is it clear? So I can say angle ABC is equals to BCF. Why? Because line AB and line CF are parallel lines to each other and this is transversal. BC is a transversal. So their alternate angles are congruent or equal. See, line AB parallel to line CF and line BC is transversal. See, BC is ट्रांसवर्सल. BC क्या है? ट्रांसवर्सल है. तो ये Z बनता है, तो ये 50 और ये 80 130. So ABC is equals to angle ABC is equals to BCF, that is alternate angles theorem. So therefore I can say that angle ABC is also 130 degree. I hope you understood this explanation. These three lines are parallel to each other. तीनों आपस में parallel है. ये दो parallel है तो ये interior angles होंगी जिसकी addition 180 होनी चाहिए. Now you have to find ABC. So AB and CF is also parallel and BC is transversal. So BCF कितना है? 50 plus 80. So this is alternate. This is also alternate. I hope you understood question number 4. It is very easy and you will solve. My dear students, now after question number 4, we will see question number 5 of practice set 2.2. Please pay attention here. Ray AE, यानी this ray AE parallel to ray BD. AE is parallel to BD. Can you see one AE and one BD? Both are lying in the same plane. ये दोनों एक ही प्लेन में है. अगर ये यहाँ पर जाएगा तो इसको भी एक्सटेंड किया जा सकता है, इसको भी एक्सटेंड किया जा सकता है. So can you see AE, ये AE and this is BD. These two are parallel to each other. It is given in the question. Okay, but see ray AF is the bisector. AF is the bisector of this angle. Can you see EAB is the angle. EAB is the angle and ray AF is the angle bisector. AF ने क्या किया? इस एंगल के दो टुकड़े किए. That is angle bisector. So this is and this is angle bisector है. Therefore this and this will be equal. Therefore we have considered here x and here also x. Okay. And ray BC. Can you see here ray BC? BC is also angle bisector of ABD. देखो एंगल बनता है AB और D. ABD के एंगल को BC बाइसेक्ट करता है. BC ray BC is a angle bisector, okay, of ABD. Okay, therefore y and y. This is also y. This is also y because angle bisector. जब एंगल बाइसेक्टर होता है तो दोनों एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. दोनों एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. Prove that. We have to prove that line AF means this line AF parallel to line BC. यानी ये AF और ये BC के पैरेलल है. Can you see दिखता है? दिखते हैं दो लाइन, ये AF और ये BC। देखो ये AF और ये BC दिखता है पैरेलल होंगे। Yes, that we have to prove. So my dear students, when it comes proof, we have to write proof, not solution. So you will start what is given in the question. So my dear friend, see, I will write angle EAF, दिखता है एंगल EAF, ये वाला छोटा सा एंगल, उसका नाम क्या है X। Also I will write is equals to angle FAB, can you see, EAF ये वाला टुकड़ा और FAB ये वाला टुकड़ा, ये दो टुकड़े कैसे हैं, इक्वल है। So I will write EAF is equals to FAB is equals to X. It means ये भी X है, ये भी X है। Why they are same? Because ray AF is an angle bisector. Because of ray AF bisects the angle EAB. EAB को ray AF ने bisect किया। What is the meaning of bisect? Bi means two, sec means sector. दो sectors which is equal, bisects divide the angle into two equal angles. Okay. So now I will write here, यहाँ का हो गया। अब यहाँ पे देखो ये एंगल कौन सा है, ABD। ओके, एंगल ABD। So you can see ABD is also divided into two equal parts because BC क्या है, एंगल बाइसेक्टर है। So I will write angle ABC plus angle CBD, एंगल CBD और DBC भी कह सकते हो, CBD भी कह सकते हो। So he angle DBC is equals to angle ABC, or we can write from here also angle ABC, ये वाला एंगल plus angle CBD is equals to Y। Why? Because of ray BC क्या है, bisect of angle ABD का bisect है। Understood? Now look at here, ray AE parallel to ray BD. It is given in the question, ray AE और ये BD ये कैसे है, parallel to each other. It means here and here these two angles will be considered as a alternate angles. Can you see, this and this will be considered as a alternate angles. Dear students, please pay attention. See here, this and this. If these two lines AE and BD are parallel, it means it is Z. Can you see? ऐसा Z बनता है। ये और ये कैसे होंगे, congruent होंगे, equal होंगे, alternate होंगे। Is it clear? So now I will write over here that angle EAB. Okay, EAB is equals to angle ABD. Why? Because of alternate angles. My dear friend, pay attention here. AE is a line parallel to BD and AB is a transversal. Can you see this AB? ये AB देख रहे हैं, AB क्या है, ट्रांसवर्सल है, और ये AE और ये BD parallel lines है। So they are alternate angles. Which angles? EAB is equals to angle ABD. Okay, EAB is equals to angle ABD, alternate angles. Now can you see that EAB is divided into two angles? Yes, so addition angles, addition, property of angles addition। EAB कैसे बना, EAF plus FAB। See here, EAF plus FAB, ये दो एंगल्स के ऐड होने से EAB बना। Is it clear? So this is the property of angle, addition of angle. Okay, now see ABD कैसे बना, ABD। So ABD is also divided into two equal angles because of BC is a angle bisector. So I will write ABC plus DBC or CBD. It's up to you. Okay, so ABC एक टुकड़ा है और DBC एक टुकड़ा है, दो टुकड़े मिलकर बनेगा ABD। See, ABD बनेगा दो टुकड़ों से। इसका नाम था X, इसका भी नाम था X। See, this is also X, this is also X, this is Y, this is Y। So X plus X 2X, Y plus Y 2Y। we had learned that when is equals to will come in between और is equals to के left hand side and right hand side अगर दो same terms है तो you will they will get zero, they will get cancelled. So this is 2 and this 2 will get cancelled because is equals to k left hand side 2, right hand side 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. What will remain? X and y. So you can see x is equals to y. So now what is x is equals to y? We will consider this x. See now. I will use a different color pen so that you will understand easily. Now I will consider this x and this y. Why? Because we have to prove that ray AF is parallel to ray BC. AF BC के parallel है यानी इन दोनों की बात चल रही है. Is it clear? So I will write x is equals to y. हमारे पास आ चुका है x is equals to y. तो ये और ये कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. We will consider this FAB is equals to ABC. Okay. So now see here. Therefore angle FAB. See F A B ये वाला green, okay, and now plus is equals to angle ABC ये वाला green. So therefore these alternate angles, the property of alternate angles fulfilled. So we can say अगर दो angle alternate है और equal है, it means the line, the given two lines will be parallel to each other. That is line AF parallel to line BC. Why? By alternate angle test. By alternate angle test. उनके जो alternate angles है वो equal है. Is it clear? अगर alternate angles equal है, it means उसके the lines are parallel. अगर lines parallel है तो suppose उसके alternate angles भी equal होंगे. Is it clear? I hope you understood and you will solve these two questions, question number 4 and question number 5 in your notebook. Thank you so much.